Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Welcome. This breaking news that I want to share is about two new features from HeyGen. HeyGen is a free talking avatar website. These new features are ones that I ensure you are going to love, and that can help you online efforts. HeyGen is a free talking avatar site. The free version offers 3 free talking avatar videos each month, up to 3 minutes in length. The first feature that I want to share are the talking baby avatars. As you can see, the babies are elderly, which serves as a built-in attention grabber.
Making money online can be a wild ride. It's thrilling, profitable, but be careful, it can age you.
The negative about this option is that the free version is limited to 140 characters, which is about 10 seconds. Perfect for a quick ad or call to action. Allow me to add that you should keep it funny. The second new feature at HeyGen is Avatar 4. You can upload an image of your choice to be used as an avatar, and then add your script and then generate your video. This option is limited to 210 characters, which is about 15 seconds. Again, perfect for quick video ads and calls to action. HeyGen also offers video translation, AI video creation, and more. Check out the site and start creating.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.